Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Quick Start Guide, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Quick Start Guide, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the internet browser. In the search bar, type Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Quick Start Guide. Look for a link that directs you to the official Samsung website. Click on the link for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Once on the product page, scroll down to locate the support section. In the support section, find the option for user manuals or guides. Click on the user manual link to proceed. On the manual page, search for the Quick Start Guide. You should see a PDF version of the Quick Start Guide. Click on the download button next to the Quick Start Guide. The file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's file manager. Locate the Downloads folder within the file manager. Open the Downloads folder to find the Quick Start Guide. Tap on the PDF file to view it. You now have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Quick Start Guide at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.